even if it's just for a little ride. We got the wrecked Magna rebuild out here making some noise. It is, I don't know, it's very warm today. It's friendly weather, I'll tell you that. I think my front brake is catching, which is dragging, and that's not great. But that does happen if you leave them outside. The front caliper ends up seizing up, so we're gonna have to take that off and maintenance that. Otherwise, she's doing really good. I'm gonna sell one of the Magnas. I'm gonna put out a video here soon and take some photographs of both of them together. This is the higher mileage, newer bike, the wrecked Magna rebuild. And the other one we're going to see right now is the 94 that was fully maintenance. This one was maintenance too, but that one has a new chain and all, and this one's just a little bit sweatier, if you will. I think the miles on that one's like 22 or something like that. This one's 43.83. Both of them run great and are lots of fun, but you know, we'll put them both through their paces, get them all worked up for the summer, and put one of them up for sale. I figure I'll sell the one that sells and keep the other one. I just don't know which one I want. This one has the Vance & Hines, the other one has stock pipes, no baffles. You've seen them both on the channel, and this is just what we got. So I'll ride this home then. I'll see you later.